tambah lebih besar lagi debitnya Pak. Ini sudah naik ke warung. Nah ini sudah naik ke warung, lebih besar lagi. Jembatan limpa sudah tidak kelihatan, lebih besar lagi. Tambah naik terus, tambah naik, lebih besar lagi ini. Sudah ke warung ini.
Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Indonesia. Now, Indonesia is bad out there right now because they've been having days of torrential rain, and then it caused the river to bust their banks, and the water levels are rising, which led to 24,000 people to evacuate from their homes. Dozens of people were killed. Now, the environmental campaigners, they saying that they blame deforestation to make way for Sumatra expansive palm oil plantations. So Indonesia is really bad out there right now. It has a lot of flooding. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.